The southern United States is a region known for its rich geography, diverse cultures, and historical significance. It lies between the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the western United States. The south also borders the Gulf of Mexico and Mexico to the south, with the Midwestern and northeastern United States to its north. The South is made up of 16 states including Alabama, Georgia, Florida, Louisiana, and Texas, as well as Washington, D.C., and is a diverse and dynamic part of the country, offering a variety of landscapes, climates, and cultural experiences. Landforms and physical features. The geography of the South is both varied and unique. The Appalachian Mountains run along the eastern part of the region, stretching from Alabama up to Canada. These mountains form a natural barrier between the coastal plains and the interior regions. The Appalachians are rich in natural resources such as coal and timber, and they attract tourists who visit for hiking, camping, and exploring national parks. The highest point in the Appalachian Range is Mount Mitchell in North Carolina, which also happens to be the tallest peak east of the Mississippi River. To the east and south of the mountains lie the coastal plains, which are broad, flat areas that stretch along the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. These plains are home to important ecosystems such as wetlands, estuaries, and swamps, which provide habitats for a wide variety of plants and animals. For example, the Everglades in Florida are a unique wetland region known for their biodiversity, including species like alligators, manatees, and countless bird species. These coastal areas are often prone to flooding and storms, especially during hurricane season. The Mississippi River, one of the longest and most important rivers in the United States, flows through the South. It starts in Minnesota and winds down to Louisiana, where it empties into the Gulf of Mexico. Along its course, the Mississippi River forms part of the border between several southern states and creates a vast delta near its mouth. This delta is one of the most fertile agricultural regions in the country, making it an important area for farming crops like cotton, rice, and soybeans. The Mississippi River also plays a crucial role in trade and transportation, as it serves as a major route for moving goods throughout the country. The region also contains several other important landforms. The Piedmont is a plateau area located between the Appalachian Mountains and the coastal plains, known for its rolling hills and rich farmland. In states like Alabama and Georgia, the Piedmont region is a center of agriculture and industry. Additionally, the western Gulf coastal plain stretches from eastern Texas to western Louisiana, and it is known for its pine forests, prairies, and oil-rich lands. Climate of the South. The climate in the southern United States varies depending on location, but much of the region experiences a subtropical climate. This means that summers are typically hot and humid while winters are mild. The coastal areas, especially along the Gulf of Mexico, often experience hurricanes and tropical storms that can cause severe damage, especially during late summer and early fall. States like Florida, Louisiana, and Texas are particularly vulnerable to these storms, which can lead to flooding and disruption of local economies. Inland areas, such as parts of Kentucky and Tennessee, experience a different climate with 4 distinct seasons. These areas can have cold winters with occasional snow, although snowfall is less common in the south than in the northern parts of the country. Summers are typically hot, and thunderstorms are frequent, especially in the warmer months. The mountainous regions, like the Appalachians, have a cooler climate due to higher elevations with more precipitation than the surrounding lowlands. Cultural history of the South. The geography of the southern United States has greatly influenced its history and culture. The region's physical features, such as fertile soil and abundant natural resources, played a key role in the development of its agricultural economy. Early Native American civilizations, such as the Cherokee, Choctaw, and Creek, thrived in these lands long before European settlers arrived. These tribes developed complex societies and adapted to the region's diverse environments, from the mountains to the plains. European colonization in the 16th and 17th centuries brought dramatic changes to the region. Spanish explorers were among the first Europeans to set foot in the South, seeking wealth and new territory. The French established colonies in places like Louisiana, while the British created permanent settlements in Virginia and the Carolinas. The South became known for its plantation economy, which relied heavily on enslaved African labor. Crops like tobacco, cotton, and rice became vital to the Southern economy and shaped the culture of the region for centuries. The South today. Today, the southern United States is a vibrant and diverse region, home to a variety of cultures, languages, and traditions. The region's history of immigration and migration has left a rich cultural tapestry that is evident in everything from its food and music to its festivals and religious practices. Southern cuisine, for example, is known for its flavorful dishes such as fried chicken, barbecue, and gumbo, all of which reflect the agricultural history and cultural mixing of the region. Music is another key part of Southern culture. The South is the birthplace of many music genres, including blues, jazz, country, and rock and roll. Musicians such as Elvis Presley, Ray Charles, and Johnny Cash have left a lasting impact on American and global music. The economy of the South has diversified significantly over the years. While agriculture remains important, the region has also developed strong industries in manufacturing, technology, and energy. Cities like Atlanta, Miami, and Houston are major economic centers, known for industries like aerospace, finance, and healthcare. Additionally, tourism plays a significant role in the southern economy, with millions of people visiting attractions such as Disney World in Florida, the historic city of New Orleans, and the Blue Ridge Mountains. Conclusion. The geography of the southern United States is deeply connected to its history, culture, and economy. From the towering Appalachian Mountains to the fertile Mississippi River Delta, the physical landscape has shaped the lives of the people who live there. Understanding the geography of the South provides valuable insight into how this region has developed over time and continues to evolve today.